well. So we can actually try some of the X integrations that we did. So we worked very heavily on working with all of our X tools and building out a really great X experience. So we can actually ask the model, find me the XAI employee that has the weirdest profile photo. So that's going to go off and start that. And then we can actually try out, let's create a timeline based on X post detailing the changes in the scores over time. And we can see all the conversation that was taking place at that time as well. So we can see who are the announcing scores and what was the reactions at those times as well. So we'll let that go through here and process. And if we go back to, this was the Greg Yang photo here. If we scroll through here, whoops. So Greg Yang, of course, who has his favorite photograph that he has on his account. That's actually not how he looks like in real life, by the way, just so you're aware. But it is quite funny.
But it had to understand that question, which is that's the wild part. It's like, it understands what is a weird photo. What is a weird photo?
Yeah.
What is a less or more weird photo?
It goes through, it has to find all the team members, it has to figure out who we all are, it searches
This
X.
is without access to the internal XAI personnel logs.
No.
It's literally looking at just at the internet.
Exactly.
So you could say like the weirdest of any company.
Yeah.
To be clear.
Exactly. And we can also take a look here at the question here for the humanities last exam. So it is still researching all of the historical scores, but it will have that final answer here soon. But we can, while it's finishing up, we can take a look at one of the ones that we set up here a second ago. And we can see that it finds the date that like Dan Hendricks had initially announced it. We can go through, we can see OpenAI announcing their score back in February. And we can see as progress happens with Gemini, we can see like Kimi, and we can also even see the leaked benchmarks of what people are saying is if it's right, it's going to be pretty impressive. So pretty cool. So yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing how everybody uses these tools and gets the most value out of them. But yeah,